Hello everyone and welcome to Kaddys Computer Tip of the Day. Today I'm going to show you how to block not only potential malware but annoying advertisements from most websites that you visit on your computer. Okay, so before we do that, we need to download a file. If you navigate to this website, winhelp2002.mvps.org/hosts.htm, you can download the host file. And what a host file is, it's a file on all types of Windows computers that basically says what connections are okay to come in, what connections are okay to get out. But basically this host file lists a bunch of known advertisements and whatnot. And so when you're on the web and they're trying to make a connection with your computer, it says, nope, sorry, you're on the not invited list, so we can't let you in. And that gets rid of a lot of annoying ads and subsequently malware that come through all those ads. So if you scroll down the page, you'll see the download is right here, host.zip. You want to go ahead and download that. And it is a zip file, so once you unzip it, you'll get a file like this. This is the only file you need here. Don't worry about the rest. You can use the mvps.bat. What this file is, it's a script that's supposed to automatically replace the host file for you. I like to do it manually, just feels safer. If you want to use the script, by all means go for it. Once you take this host file out and put it in another folder, so for example I'm going to just create a new folder here. Okay, so you take this host file out because if you notice here it's a zipped file, so you want to unzip it. Once you have it unzipped, you want to go to this location on your computer, and I'm gonna type it in here, but in fact you're gonna type it in the run prompt. Actually, let me do that. So to open a run prompt, hold the Windows key and press the R key. R is in Rover, or you can click on Start and click on Run. You want to type in C Windows System 32. Oh, no, got that wrong. Wait. No, there we go. C Windows System 32 drivers, etc. Okay, so I'll give you a moment. This is where you want to navigate to. C drive, Windows System 32, drivers, etc. folder. Once you have that in there, just go ahead and OK. Now, here is where your original host file is. Now, I've already replaced my original Windows host file, which had nothing in it, with the one that I got from the website. What you want to do is basically copy this, move it here. When it asks you, do you want to replace, you do replace it, so you get the new one in there. Just to be safe though, before doing that, right click on the old file, rename it, and add an extension like .old or something. So just in case you don't like the results, you can go ahead and make the new host file. You can delete the new host file and rename the original host file back to hosts. And let me just show you what this looks like here. If I open this, when you hit open, you're gonna want to select open with if you got it. If not, I guess you do have to hit open, and then you have to select that you want to open it with Notepad. So this is what your host file looks like. It's a lot cleaner if you have a programming editing program like Notepad++. But if you scroll down, here we go. If you scroll down, you'll see all these. This is basically saying anything that's trying to communicate with the local host, which is you. This is your computer, your local address. Block it. And here's the sites that are not allowed to get in. Now, in my case, for example, there are certain sites that you might want to let in. For example, I used to watch some video at Funimation website, and I had to let that in. So I actually had to search through here for Funimation, and I would just add stars in the beginning. This way, it'll automatically skip that line. So this should help. I'm sure you'll notice right away that a lot of ads, even in Gmail, will start getting blocked from showing up on your computer. So good luck with that. If you have any questions, please comment, rate, and subscribe to our channel. And we hope to be helping you out with some more stuff in the future. Thank you.